Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, May 3rd. I'm James Spann. The weather stays warm today with a few isolated showers. Tomorrow, scattered storms, but no washout. However, where storms do form, they can be fairly strong. Let's talk about it. There's the upper look this morning. The ridge a little weaker across the deep south, but it's still there. Got a trough over the northern plain states. And to start the day, a few scattered storms early this morning. That was the radar just before 5 o'clock, and you can see a few scattered storms over north and northeast Alabama, gradually moving northeast. Not severe, but they're producing some lightning, but really a lot of this day will be dry. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s to start the day, but as we often point out, Birmingham is warmer because of the urban heat island effect, 73 there. Highs should be up in the middle 80s again today. Got flash flood watches in effect today west of the state for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, also parts of Kentucky, and far southern Indiana. Severe storms possible today over parts of Texas, and also there's a marginal risk around West Virginia and Maryland. Now, tomorrow, there's some risk of severe storms across parts of the southeast United States. SPC has a pretty good chunk of the state in the level 2 out of 5 risk, and we'll talk about this. The issue will be strong gusty winds. The tornado threat very, very low. Don't expect a problem with that. Then on day 3, which is Sunday, a marginal risk for parts of the southeastern states, clipping extreme southeast Alabama, but mainly for areas east of our state. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain will stay west of here in Alabama. Heavier totals up around the shoals. This is suggesting they could see 3 inches, 2.5 inches for Huntsville, and then 1 to 2 inches for pretty much the rest of the state. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 06C run at 1 o'clock today. You can see a little troughing coming into Texas. The ridge continues on the Atlantic coast, and the day will be warm, humid, partly sunny. Maybe a few isolated showers this afternoon, but again, the high-resolution modeling not showing much. That's the NAM at 4 o'clock today, and that looks pretty dry. So even though we see a few isolated storms early this morning, I think a decent chunk of the day should be dry today. Now, this is tomorrow. The little feature over Texas begins to approach, and that will bring an increase in the number of showers and storms. But let me show you the modeling here. This is the high-res NAM at 1 o'clock tomorrow. And really not much more than isolated storms. So want to stress that a decent chunk of the day tomorrow will be dry. We stay warm. The high should be around 80. The sky cloudy at times. Let's go to 8 o'clock tomorrow night. And you can see clusters of storms and scattered pockets around the state. Still not raining everywhere. In fact, there could be places that get no rain at all tomorrow, but where those storms do form, they could be fairly strong. Let's check the SRH. This is the storm relative helicity values, and they're very low. It's a unidirectional wind profile, and so tornadoes should not be an issue. The chance is very, very, very low. The instability values are somewhat marginal. But during the peak of the heating, late afternoon and evening, there could be a few storms that produce strong gusty winds, maybe some small hail. So this is not like the severe weather threat you see in March and April with tornadoes and large hail and all that. The main issue Saturday will be storms with small hail and strong gusty winds, maybe damaging in spots. We'll keep an eye on things, but it is not going to be a rainy day. Just keep in mind that a few storms could be strong that will be scattered. We'll keep an eye on those. Then Sunday, we go dry, the sky partly sunny. We might stay in the upper 70s on Sunday, a smidgen cooler. Monday will be dry. Start the day in the 50s, the high in the mid-80s. The sky will be sunny. Tuesday, again, mostly dry with mid-80s. There could be a few showers, mainly for the southern half of the state. Wednesday, a chance of showers pretty much statewide, scattered showers and storms. Highs low to mid-80s. Thursday, better chance of showers over the northern third of the state. We stay in the 80s, and a week from today, the ridge rebuilding over the Gulf, nosing in here, and that looks mostly dry with a few showers mainly over the northern quarter of the state. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, May 12th. Got a zonal flow ridge to the west, and that looks like a stall boundary could be nearby with a chance of showers. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. And again, Sunday we might be in the upper 70s, it's suggesting 77. Otherwise, on most days, highs in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s on through mid-May. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.